In Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software, tying your labor to your fence products just got way better. Let's go! Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app. Click on Products located on the top part of the screen and again select Products that appears from the drop-down menu. Click on Create to create a new product. We're going to create a labor cost product to apply on specific fence products and product variants. Give your labor cost product a name and input the amount that you charge for this labor next to where it says sales price. Make sure you select service next to where it says product type. And remember to choose the correct product category. This will enable the Apply to Fence Product option to appear. When you check on the box next to Apply to Fence Product, the Fence Products tab will appear. Here, you can add any product or product variant that you want to tie this newly created labor cost product to line by line. Don't forget to hit save to complete the process. This eliminates having to build a quotation template for every product variant that you have created and allows you to tie your labor to labor cost products instead. This is especially helpful when you charge a different amount for a specific variant of a determined fence product. The labor will not be drawn from the general quotation template that you have for this specific material type, but will be taken from this new service product created to act as labor cost. Thank you very much.